Yeah. Listen to that intake. She feels really fast downhill.
Yep.
Welcome back, I'm Tedward. Welcome to the beautiful state of Colorado. Welcome Steven to the channel. And welcome to his 1996 Mazda Miata, the MX-5. It's got a 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder making on its best day at sea level, 120, 130 horsepower, but certainly not today. We're at, let's see, what does the old watch say? 8,700 feet. She is feeling a bit anemic, but of course Steven's outfitted it with some safety precautions. We've got this beautiful little roll bar, and my God, for the first time, a Miata that holds me in place. These seats are great. This reminds me of Maddox's 996 with those pole positions and, you know, clever little padding here. But it's a beautiful day out here in Colorado, so let's go take a ride and make some fun intake noises in this thing. So we're on what? Stock suspension. And what? Anything done to it?
Just the roll bar in the seats, basically.
Oil changes.
The oil changes, yeah. And I got no gas in it.
Oh, it does sound good. The intake noise on this car is outrageous. Stock ride height, so we can climb the mountain. That is this. Actually, I'm gonna do this over there. Oh yeah.
Sherry.
Wide open. So despite probably having like optimistically 90 horsepower right now, this is like a great little momentum car. I can catch anybody in this as long as they slow down for corners, which they all do.
Yeah.
So we're on the peak-to-peak highway. This connects what? Central City to?
Central City to Estes Park.
Estes Park, okay. Learning my geography out here. Whoop.
Hello. Momentum gone.
Yeah, that was an optimistic fourth gear downshift. Whoa, look at all those horses! That's so many horses.
That's as much horsepower as we have.
That is accurate. There might be more horses than horsepower in this vehicle. Don't really need brakes, but it's fun to dip it into the camber a little bit. Just gotta be mindful. Whoa, yes! Just gotta be mindful of cyclists and pre-runners, apparently. We're gonna end this video at Casa Bonita. Yeah. Listen to that intake. She feels really fast downhill.
Yep. Nature's turbo.
Gravity is nature's turbo.
Exactly.
So now we've graduated to Rocky Mountain National Forest. We've got the little Miata up here. We are at, geez, 10,700 feet. And she's starving for oxygen, but it's doing the job. Oh, that's a harder seat than I remembered. Whoops. That's a tailbone gone.
We got some miles on them.
Tailbones are consumables, right?
Yes.
That's wide open to give you an idea of what this engine's going through at this altitude. Not that we're going to be doing any performance driving up here anyway, because this is a very unforgiving fog line. This makes Tail of the Dragon look like bumper bowling. This is like the real deal. This is certain death if you fall. We're not playing that game. But how can I not show you this insane view? Look at the snow out here. It's still capped in snow, which is bizarre because it's not cold. I mean, it's still plenty warm.
Sun's out, breeze is out. Quite pleasant.
There's so much traffic out here, though. I don't want to make it seem like this is all sunshine and rainbows and like, boom, we just got here and we're in the mountains. Like, we sat in a good 30-40 minutes in traffic just to get to the gate. And he has a national parks pass, so that was a wait at the gate even with a national parks pass. Caution, dangerous snowfields ahead. Keep off the slopes. I would imagine that this is like a terrifying avalanche area during the winter. This is one of those trips where like you get up here in a car like this and you're like, electric or hybrid powered cars would make a lot of sense. But Tesla is still not winning Pikes Peak. Wow! Guys, get out of the house. Go take a trip. You don't have to go spend wild amounts of money to see beauty and grandeur. Come out here, rent a cheap car, drive a few hours, and see some stuff. I'm so glad we're in the Miata. I love doing this with the top down.
Yes.
This is so much better than being in like a RAV4 or something. Like, everybody comes out here with their families and like their family mobiles, and that's totally fine. I get it. You gotta pack all the stuff. You gotta pack them all in. But to do this in a sports car is so cool. Let's check out this Forest Canyon overlook. Was that a goose? What did I just hear?
Beats me.
Actually, maybe we're not doing that. I don't really care enough to drive in there and wait in line. This is the problem. The whole world has turned into Disneyland. Everything is traffic. Everything is lines. You got to find ways to kind of just enjoy it. What you guys don't know is that I have an American Eagle Speedo in the trunk. And you better believe I'm wearing it in the hot springs when we find the sulfur springs out here today. Yay, happy horn.
Gotta break that in.
Yeah, I'm so excited. We're doing another rally with Team Champagne Ninjas. And, okay, so I guess this is what happens when you break down at the top of a mountain. Look at that. But I am definitely gonna wear the American Eagle Speedo on that road trip because I gotta fill up the LFA with a bald eagle front and center and on my ass. It's on both sides. I gotta hand it to this Buick Century for existing. Like that Buick gets points for just being on the road. 11,800 feet, and this is usually off by a couple hundred feet. So I've got a feeling that we're above 12,000 at this point. Ah, this is the stuff. I cannot get over this. You tighten all the lugs?
Not recently.
want to go for that upshift, but like there's nothing there for me. We're at about 12,000 feet. We're eye level with those peaks. I mean, that's nuts. And my heart rate is 98 beats per minute. I run a lot. My resting heart rate, like if I'm just chilling, is like 52 beats per minute at sea level. Right now we're at 100. I am not acclimated. I got here yesterday. This is crazy.
Sea level to 12K.
Yeah, I hated it because I put the watch on you and you were at like 72 beats a minute. You've been here for a long time.
Chilling, yeah.
Chilling.
I don't know, I feel like you've got good overhead. Like most people would like kind of be feeling some effects of altitude at this point, like even like a mild headache.
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
Fine, yeah.
I think I just generally feel nauseous during my daily life, so.
Life nauseates me.
AM radio information. That's how you know when things have gone terribly wrong, when you're tuning into AM radio. What's incredible is this is just like a normal road. Like this is what gets you through this area. Ooh, I smell brakes.
Somebody has cooked some brakes.
I just had to double check that I had this down. I'm like,
you're good, yeah.
Someone's cooking them. It goes without saying, but guys, engine braking is your friend. We go down the Mohawk Trail on Route 2 in Massachusetts and think, whoa, the hairpin. Meanwhile, there's this.
And traffic. And we're going downhill. Turn the air brakes on.
That one's recording, right?
Yes.
Counting up?
Yes.
Good. Happy car, happy car. It's kind of fun driving a Miata with the roof up.
Wow.
Whoops, that looks like a car fire. Is that a Kia C apostrophe D?
The C apostrophe debt.
It's funny to go like wide open, like mid-corner there, but because we're at 11,000 feet, like
Totally safe.
nothing happens. I think that's my favorite sign, a squiggly road sign, which is, if anybody's listening and has any stake in this, that's what I want my tombstone to look like. I just want it to be a squiggly road.
Happiness ahead.
If there's an afterlife, I hope it's full of hairpins and twisties. Stay on the inside here for the potholes. That's the thing about these roads. This part of the road is not so bad. It's the uphill on the other side that was rough. and slide area. We'll show them.
Hold my beer.
Tuck it into the camber. Get that rotation going. Wide open throttle. Downhill. Nature's turbo, as you say.
Yeah. Putting in work.
Anyone who doesn't love a Miata is out of their damn minds. This car is so much fun. Well, that's going to do it for our Miata adventure. It's getting dark. We'll put the headlights up, cruise on back, and tomorrow, maybe we'll take out the little Fiesta ST to Pikes Peak or some other extravagant place in this ridiculous state. Colorado has a lot to offer in the way of great driving roads. I know it's more of an outdoorsy sport kind of guy thing, but to me, all I see are hairpins. This is the Switzerland of America. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, that was a spicy one.
What was the spicy one?
No, it's good. You're downshifting. Just
as opposed to all the other ones?
I was just making a...
Okay.
You ruined it. You're getting no compliments or praise on this episode. This is going at the end now. Now this is post-credit bullshit.
I didn't realize. I thought you cut.